A very sweet good morning to all of you. Welcome in EVS class. Student, in our previous class, we have discussed our chapter 14, Let's Communicate. Beta, in this chapter, we got the knowledge about the communication. What is communication? Communication means exchange of information and ideas with others. And it helps to keep in touch with our relatives and friends. In earlier days, people communicate with each other through the letters, and we post letter in letter box. Now we have some means of communication like internet, newspaper, magazines, telephone. Okay. Now we have some modern means of communication like email, telephone. We can interact with a person instantly through the telephone. And better mass communication helps to communicate a large number of people at the same time. Like radio, newspaper, magazine, internet are some example of mass communication. We get the written information through the newspaper and magazine. And internet is the fastest means of mass communication. And internet helps in searching information. So beta, this is the summary of this chapter. Now in today's class we will discuss our book exercise, full forms and question answer. So let's start. Now firstly we do book exercise. Now first is put a tick or right mark on the correct option. Now first question is it used to send an SMS. First newspaper, mobile phone और रेडियो. बताइए बेटा हम SMS किसके थ्रू सेंड कर सकते हैं? न्यूज़पेपर से? नो. रेडियो से? नो. Then what's the correct answer? Mobile phone. So book exercise is first we answered mobile phone. Mobile phone. Now question second C friend. We use it to send urgent messages. What we use to send urgent messages? Speed post, magazine or pigeon? No, pigeon and magazines are not correct answer. Correct answer is speed post. A option is correct. Speed post. Now next third is it is a means of mass communication. Letter, telephone or television. Yes beta, what is the example of mass communication? Letter or telephone? No. Television is a correct answer. So third C option is correct. Television. Okay. Now next is match the following. Beta, here are some column A and B given. We have to match them. See beta. First is letter. What is first? Letter. Then what's the first is letter. So what's the correct answer of letter? Here correct option of letter C. Pin code. Pin code is the correct answer. Because when we send the letter, then we have to write pin code on it. Okay. Now second is FASCII smile is what's the short form of this? Fax machine. FAX fax. MACHINE fax machine. Facsimile is the short form of fax machine. Now third question is C. Internet. Internet. Beta, through the internet we search information. So what's the correct answer? Search in for Okay. Now fourth is television. Television. Television is example of mass communication. So mass communication. Okay. So this is C option. This one is A option. This one is D option. And this one is B option. Okay. First C, second A, third D, fourth B. Now next exercise is put this picture in correct orders from buying postcard to receiving letter. देखिए भैया, firstly we have to purchase postcard from the post office. After that we write on it. Then we post in a letter box. After that a postman take out postcard or letter from the letter box, and after that postman deliver letter. Okay. So what the correct option? Correct sequence देखिए. E first, now A, C second, B third, A fourth, and D 5. Okay, these are the pictures given. See here, pictures given. We have to put this picture in the correct order. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. Now next is find out the names of any 3 English and 3 Hindi newspapers distributed in your locality. Write their name. Because we have to write down here 3 English newspaper name and 3 Hindi newspaper name. So let's see one by one. देखिए, English. Here we write English newspaper names. Okay. Now first see. Yes, first English newspaper name Hindustan Time. देखिए, Hindustan Times. Okay. Now second is the Times of India. The Times of India. Now third one is the Indian Express. The Indian Express. Okay, these are the 3 English newspaper name: Hindustan Times, the Times of India, and the Indian Express. Here we write down the Hindi newspaper name. देखिए, Hindi newspaper names. Now first is, yes, very popular Hindi newspaper दैनिक भास्कर. दैनिक भास्कर. दैनिक भास्कर. Now second, which is a popular Hindi newspaper, Patrika. Yes. Second newspaper is beta Patrika. Now third one is Punjab Kesari. Punjab. Yes beta, Punjab Kesari. So these are the 3 Hindi popular newspaper: दैनिक भास्कर, पत्रिका और पंजाब केसरी. So my dear kids, these are the book exercise we have done. You will be do all exercise in your book. Now we will discuss full forms. Okay, let's see. Now beta, let's discuss some full forms. देखिए, write down heading full forms. Now first pin, PIN. बताइए बेटा what is the full form of pin? Yes, I told you na in the chapter what is the pin full form? Postal index number. Okay, see, postal index, POSTAL, postal index number. Okay, now beta second is ISD. Yes, what is the full form of ISD? International Subscriber Dialing. So let's write International Subscriber Dialing. DIAING. Dialing. International Subscriber Dialing. Now third one is STD. Yes, now third one is STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. Subscriber Trunk Dialing. Okay, subscriber trunk dialing. Now fourth is fax. What is the full form of fax? Facsimile. Okay, so write down facsimile. 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 So these are the full forms. Let's read out again. PIN, pin, postal index number. ISD, International Subscriber Dialing. STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. And fax, facsimile. Okay beta, these are the full forms. Now let's discuss question answer of this chapter. Now beta, question answer. Our question first is, what is communication? Communication means exchange of information and ideas with others. बेटा कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? अपनी जानकारी और अपने विचारों को दूसरों के साथ आदान प्रदान करना. ठीक है, सो लेट्स राइट फर्स्ट आंसर. देखिए, राइट डाउन द हेडिंग ऑफ क्वेश्चन आंसर. नाउ बेटा आंसर first is communication means exchange of information and ideas with others. Okay, so repeat again this answer. What is communication, students? Communication means exchange of information and ideas with others. Now question second is, name 3 things used for writing a letter. Beta, here we have to write 3 things those we need to write a letter. जो हमें लेटर लिखने के लिए 3 चीजें चाहिए होती हैं, उनके हमें यहाँ पे नाम लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज कंप्लीट एड्रेस, सेकेंड इज पिन कोड नंबर and third one is stamp. Okay, so now write down the second answer is Now first answer is second beta. First complete and correct address. Okay. So correct address. Now sorry, ADDRES. ADDRES. Address. Now second is pin code. Here we have to write the pin code number also when we send the letter. Okay. Now third one is stamp. 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 So what are the three things needed? What are three things used for writing a letter? Correct address, pin code number, and third one is stamp. Now student, question third is how are mobile phone useful? Yes, so what's our question? बेटा हमारे लिए मोबाइल फोन कैसे यूजफुल होता है? देखिए we can use the mobile phone to call and send data to anyone from anywhere. हम मोबाइल फोन के थ्रू कॉल कर सकते हैं किसी को भी कहीं पर भी, और कोई भी डाटा अगर हमें भेजना हो घर पर या कहीं ऑफिस में तो वो हम लोग भेज सकते हैं मोबाइल फोन के थ्रू. ओके, तो व्हाट्स हाउ आर मोबाइल फोन यूजफुल? वी कैन यूज द मोबाइल फोन to call and send data to anyone from anywhere. Okay, so let's write answer third. We can use the mobile phone. We can use the mobile phones to call and send data to anyone from anywhere. From anywhere. Okay, so let's revise this answer again. We can use the mobile phones to call and send data to anyone from anywhere. And our last question is name any three means of mass communication. Yes beta, what are the means of mass communication? Radio, internet, newspaper, magazines, television. These all are the means of mass communication. So let's write. Answer 4 is, here we have to write only three means of mass communication. So first is radio. Now second is internet. And beta last is newspaper. Okay, what are the three means of mass communication? Radio, internet and newspaper. You can write here television, okay, magazines also. So my dear kids, these are the 4 question answer. You will be writing your notebook and learn these all full forms and questions. Okay beta, thank you, bye bye.